is Tim Gagnon. I'm a graphic and portrait artist living in Titusville, Florida, just across the Indian River from the Kennedy Space Center. Growing up, I always felt fortunate that I was able to witness the first explorations off the planet, and I was absolutely enthralled with the entire effort. I followed all the missions as much as my parents would allow. When I was 16, the Apollo program was ending. So I wrote to my United States Senator, Abraham Ribicoff, and I said, I need to see an Apollo launch. Nobody in my family expected we would get a yes, but darned if they didn't do it. December came, my dad and I had an amazing 3-day trip down here in Florida, and it was at that launch that I learned that an outside artist was asked to create the patch. It was like a light bulb went off. I said, this is how I can contribute. I always loved to draw and paint when I was young. If I'm going to participate in the space program, this is how I'm going to do it. This patch for this year was a pretty daunting challenge. Susie Cunningham from NASA said, we need you to base a patch on this view. The biggest challenge was creating by hand the entire window frame so that it looked like you were looking out of a window from an orbiting spacecraft. It took a while, a process of over 30 days to get it done. This patch is probably one of my most satisfying because A, it was well received, and I'm very grateful for that, but I really like to look at it. I mean, I could stare at that patch like I'm looking through that window myself. I'm very, very grateful for the opportunity and very happy with how it turned out.